First of all, how to create a class. It's very simple. Concept of classes, how to create it in C++. First of all, you will write the keyword class, then you will write class name. We have written employee, and then we'll start a block with this brace. And there are 2 or 3 sections in a class: public, private, and protected. Public means any members which are declared inside public can be accessed from main function, and which are declared as private are hidden from main, or you can say they are hidden from the outside world. And protected are somewhat like public and somewhat like private members. So in this program, we are using only public members so that you can understand them, how to use it in a simple way. In public section, we will write public and then put colon. Then we will declare variables inside it. Variables can be of heterogeneous type, either integer, float, character, or string. There is a string data type also in C++. And we can declare functions also. I already told you, we can create functions also as a member of the class. So in this program, we have declared 3 variables: int id, string name, and float salary. That means it belongs to employee's id, employee's name, and employee salary. C++ is basically used to build projects or build softwares of real world entities. Whatever we see in real world, suppose I want to create an automatic system for employees or for a student or for a department, fine, then we can develop them by putting them in classes, just like this class employee, and we are creating its data members as the attributes of employee, because an employee can have these attributes: his id, name, and salary. Fine. So these are 3 data members. It is mentioned over here: data member, data member. This is also a data member. Third one, this is also a data member, not a member function. Member function is the next one. This void salary is the member function. We have put them as comment. This is member function. Member function means simple functions that we define inside a class. Void insert int I, string n, and float s. Since these are 3 data members, we need to give input to them. That can be done by using this insert method or function. We refer to them as member function. So there are 3 variables similar to the data type as mentioned as data members: int, then string, and then float. You can see int, string, and float. And then we'll assign the value. After that, we have created another member function, display, which will display their values: id, name, and salary. It will just print the values that user has entered. So let's see. Now we'll close the class and then put semicolon. And after that, we need to declare the main function. In the main function, we'll put braces and create object of this employee class. This is class name employee, and this is the object name E1. Then there is another object employee, and this is E2, another object. Then how to call them? It is very simple. We'll write the object name E1, then put a dot, and then we'll call insert function, which we have just created. And then we'll pass 3 arguments. First one is ID, second one is name, and third one is salary. So these 3 arguments will be copied to the function definition over here. Over here on this function. It will be copied over here. And then these values will be assigned to 111, name, Roy, and salary 20,000. And then we'll assign these value to respective class data members. ID is equal to I, name is equal to Roy, and salary is 20,000. And then we'll and it will be returned automatically back to the call over here. Then next function will be called with the next object. That means employee 1 is having these details, then E2N means employee 2 is having these details, 112 Sherry and 30,000. Then control will go to that insert function again and will assign the values to data members. Now both the values are assigned. Now we will display it. How to display it? By using the display method. So we will call it by using e1.display. Control will go here and will display the ID, name and salary of first employee, which is E1. It will display 111, Roy and 20,000. Then it will come back automatically. Then second display function will be called E2.display, and then it will display 112 Sherry and 30,000, the information of second employee. So this is how we can create classes. After that, we'll close the main function. So let me show you the output. How will it work? Execute, compile and run. Let me show you the output screen. So this is the output screen where details of these two employees are displayed. 111 Roy, his salary, then 112 Sherry and her salary. So this is the output of this program.